What's up, everybody? So for the last year, I've been up super late and getting up super early for one main purpose. And purpose is really something I want to focus on today. I'm writing a new book. It's not a design book like my first one, but it's a renovation book. It's called The Human Renovation Project, and it's focusing on how to transform yourself using some of the principles I use in my business as a designer and a renovation expert, building that solid foundation and the strong structural elements to support a fulfilling life. And my journey started way back in the day when I was 17. I met a Buddhist and a shaman practitioner who took me under her wing and really taught me some amazing life lessons that I'm gonna pay forward through this book. And by no means am I perfect or a guru, and that's what this is about, is really helping myself as I write this book. So get ready, everybody. The era of the Human Renovation Project starts now.